Hey friends, it's Scott here with 4 Patriots. Today we're going to unbox the Patriot Power Generator 2000X. It's our latest generation of powerful and portable solar generators, and I'm so excited to unbox it with you today. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell. We've got some great videos coming out soon, and I don't want you to miss a single one. So your order comes in 2 boxes. This box here is the unit, and this is your solar panel. Let's open up the generator first. For the sake of time and to keep you from having to watch me cut a bunch of tape and open the box, I went ahead and did it off screen. Here it is, the Patriot Power Generator 2000X. You may not expect this, but your generator actually comes partially charged, so you can use it straight out of the box. Talk about convenience. Let's turn it on so I can show you the display panel. Don't worry, it's so easy to use, your grandkids could do it. All you have to do is click the power button right here on the front. Once it's up and running, you'll see the bright LED display turn on. We've designed this display to be super easy to read, and the screen angles up at you so you don't have to hunch over to read it. Right here, you'll see exactly how much power you're sending out and how much power you have left, both in watts and hours. You can also get more detailed information by using the screen toggle button right here. It shows you how much power each output is using so you can keep track of your total usage. Like I mentioned before, your new generator comes partially charged. So you'll want to top it off once you get it so you're fully prepared. Now, there are a ton of ways you can recharge your new generator. If you have a power outlet available, you can use the AC charger that comes with your generator. It rolls up neatly right here behind the unit, so you'll always know where to find it when it's time to recharge your generator. Let's unwrap it and plug it up. This end goes into your wall, and the end plugs in right here on the front. You'll know it's charging when you see the lightning bolt icon here on the screen. You'll also see the plug icon light up, telling you it's charging through the AC port. But what if you need to recharge your generator while the power's out? Don't worry, we thought of that too. You can use the included solar panel to recharge your generator using only sunlight. Let's go ahead and get that out. So here's our portable solar panel. It's really light, doesn't weigh much at all. And what makes this so cool is that it unfolds to double in size. Let me show you how to do that. All you have to do is lift this latch, turn it, and pull. Now let's do it on the other side, and then simply unfold it. So there are a couple things on the inside here you should know about. First, we have adjustable legs, so you can stand it up and point the panel towards the sun. That way, you can maximize your sun time and get the most out of your solar panel. Now, connecting the panel to your generator is super simple. The DC charging port is right here on the front, but the cord is pretty short, so most of the time, you'll want to use the free extension cord that comes with your generator. Your solar panel has 2 sides, an input and an output. The input side lets you daisy chain multiple solar panels together. So if you have 2, 3, or even 4 solar panels, you can attach them all together to cut down on your solar charging time. The output side is going to connect to your generator. To attach the solar panel to the extension cord, just pull the little cap off your solar panel's output cord. Then connect red to red and black to black. Then do the same for your generator. Voila, you're ready to charge your generator. I told you it was easy. Now that we've topped it off, let me show you some of the devices it can power. We call it 2000X because it has 2000 watts of continuous output. That means if a device uses 2000 watts or less, your generator can run it. For example, let's say you want to power your fridge so all your fruits, veggies, meat, and dairy products don't go bad. Simply turn on the AC outputs and plug your fridge's cord into one of the outlets on the front of your generator. Those are the ones that look like the outlets on your wall. And look at that. Our food is now safe and cool. Let's add some more devices. How about your phone? The last thing you want in an emergency is a dead phone. So we'll plug it in using the USB port right here. Let's add a lamp as well so you can have light in your house. What about a CPAP machine? If you use a CPAP, you know how critical it is to have power on hand. As you can see, everything is powered up and you even have spare power for more devices if you need it. Now last, but certainly not least, one of the coolest things about the new Patriot Power Generator 2000X is that you can actually stack power on top of its 2,000 watt capacity. In the simplest of terms, you can expand your generator's power by plugging this mini generator into your unit. We're calling it the Patriot Power Generator 2000X expansion pack because it acts as a solo generator in its own right. It has 2 AC wall outlets to power your critical devices. For example, you could use the expansion pack in your living room to power a lamp, or that very same CPAP machine from before. With this separate expansion pack plugged into your Patriot Power Generator 2000X like so, you'll have a total battery capacity of 2,956 watt hours, enough to run your devices for almost twice as long as you could with the generator alone. And you can even get multiple expansion packs on our website for even more power. And that's about everything you need to know to get started with your Patriot Power Generator 2000X. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. I'll see you soon.